Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest trends in construction. Today we're going to talk about off-site modular construction and why it's becoming increasingly popular in the industry. Off-site modular construction is the process of building prefabricated components in a factory setting, which are then transported to the construction site and assembled into a complete structure. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of this approach. What are some of the advantages of off-site modular construction? One of the biggest advantages is speed. Because the components are built in a factory setting, construction time is greatly reduced. This means that projects can be completed faster and the building can be occupied sooner. In addition to speed, off-site modular construction is also more sustainable than traditional construction methods. Because the components are built in a controlled environment, waste is minimized and materials can be reused. This leads to a smaller environmental footprint. What types of structures can be built using off-site modular construction? Almost any type of structure can be built using this approach, from single-family homes to multi-story buildings, to healthcare facilities and educational institutions. The possibilities are endless. Off-site modular construction is revolutionizing the way we build structures, offering a faster, more sustainable, and cost-effective approach to construction. If you're interested in learning more about this approach, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.